ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹೆಸರು ಹೇಳಿ. ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಯುವರ್ ಗುಡ್ ನೇಮ್?
Vinod Vittal.
ವಿನೋದ್ ವಿಠಲ್.
Vittal, yeah.
You are from which place?
From Kanapura Road.
Kanakpura Road.
Yeah.
Tell me about the story of your son's psoriasis or whose son psoriasis.
Yeah.
Tell me how it was earlier and how many months he has taken our miracle drinks.
Sir, this is already started on
What is his name?
Gaurav Vikale.
Avikale. And our age?
He is 16. Sir.
When that psoriasis was started to him?
Around 6 years back.
6 years back.
Yeah.
So,
Went for English medicine, then homeopathy, everything. Relief was not there.
So, how you came to know about this miracle drinks?
This my sister, she's in my and she told me, sir. She's very close to you.
Okay. And
My sister advised me.
since how many months he is taking?
From past, it's almost 6 months.
6 months.
Yeah.
Wonderful.
Yeah.
So now, what percentage of cure you have
Almost,
seen?
Earlier we had a bit red patches. I think almost everything is gone. Everything's
That
clear.
means in what are all the parts of the body he had?
The whole body, sir.
Whole body.
Yeah, it was there. It's almost there. It was there.
It's
And like everywhere, stomach, back, everything. Almost everything is clear. Only a bit white color is there. Like
and itching and all, it's gone.
it's almost gone, sir. Almost gone.
Wonderful.
That is gone.
Thank you.
That is, I wanted to advise my friend. Those who are listening, I just advise it. What we know, we can.
Yes. Because main objective of taking this testimonials is
Yeah.
to show to the world
Yeah.
that those who are suffering since years in this incurable health disorders, they can have a ray of hope
Yeah.
that I can get rid of this bloody itching and all.
Yeah.